welcome back to another episode of the Potato Gen in the Very Veggie Challenge. This is episode 4 of the challenge, or 72, but that's okay. I mean, should I just be numbering them by the number of episodes in the gen, or keep it to the major number? It's 72. Or is it 4? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, we're in our apartment now. We're being flirted with this fairy, so that's kind of nice. You know what I mean? Should we follow up that? Should we also flirt? Yeah, get to know. Flirt. Get to know. She just came in my apartment, not flirting with me. I don't know. You know, I mean, we need a baby at some point. Hopefully someone who doesn't hate us. Though, like most people do. All right, flirt. Hey, fairy. Oh. Wait, is that the same fairy from... Oh, it is. Oh, my gosh. She's still around. She's the blonde fairy. Is she not? She's an elder. Right. Yeah. She's looking great. You know what? Oh, wait, how are you doing? Oh, she's not doing very well, is she? Oh my gosh. Is she okay? I've always been sad that I did not do a better job of being her friend. Maybe because we gave her a bad gift. Let's be funny. Let's be nice. Joke about body hair. Go. Oh, fairies have longer lifespans. Ah, okay. Well, also, did fairies come out after we started this challenge or before? I can't remember. Whoa! After, okay, so yeah, she's much younger than the most of the Sims. That's what's good about this new pack coming out, is that we're gonna be, this challenge will be infused with a bunch of young Sims, a bunch of young townies. So that's great, right? You know what'd be funny is if we do it like a legacy challenge, but every legacy, like we have everything turned off. The first legacy is base game and base game only, right? And then the next legacy, the next generation, we install the next whatever pack, right? When we randomize it or something, and then that will like bring in all these new Sims from that pack into the world. That sounds like an interesting idea. It'd be a lot of maintenance, but still. What's going on over here? A little bit of a gathering outside on the street here. Interesting. Yeah, the new pack. I'm excited for it as well. Very much so. Okay, so what's happening? We're still waiting on these peeps. I think my theory is we're gonna get word that they're gonna move out. Even though it says 4 days left, I'm thinking it's gonna happen. Yeah. We are gonna go back to this. No one's living here right now, right? Wait, is she living here? It still says she is. Wait, didn't we do this already? Evict household. Does that work? Or... Evict. Wait, are they fighting? Oh my gosh. Trouble in paradise over here. Let's go to build mode. Let's say, you know what? Yeah, let's save it. Go to build mode. Build mode. No, I can't because someone's still there. So what's happening? Is she there or is she not there? She still says she's here. So maybe it's not. Maybe it's not working. I don't know. Hang on. Guess what? Oh, you had a date. Went really well. That's great. Good to hear. Yeah, I am. Okay, toxic mold. That's fine. I can take care of that. Yeah, we can just get that cleaned up real fast. Oh my gosh. Why would you go in that thing? Why would you go there? Get out of there. That's so disgusting. All this dust is actually pretty cool. Let me collect that. I'm going to have like a little bit of a flirt with this fairy, okay? He needs to marry her immediately. Can we have babies with an elder fairy? Casually turning on the oven. Size, baby. You know what? I think I can fix you. Yes. Oh. Where is Bitey anyway? I haven't seen Bitey in a while. Oh, he's right there. Alright, get back into your regular clothing. If you believe in the powers of dust. Okay. Last chance. I'm hooking up with this fairy. Last chance here. Come on. I mean, now that I'm flirty, maybe I'll use my flirty powers to seduce Tina. Wait. Oh, you know what? Now I'm sick. I'm finally seeing you as attractive. Come on. You like this, huh? Try for a baby? Yeah, you think so? She's kind of laughing at me, you know what I mean? She's kind of like, more where that comes from. Oh, does she not like that? Is laughing, is that good? No, I'm embarrassed, no. Oh my gosh! Bashy, what are you doing? Bashy, why? Bashy's not a nice person. That's right, she won, which is good. She's not a nice person. Unpredictable, yeah. I flew with the fairy again. Oh my gosh. Why, Sims? Why? Bitey is casually sleeping in the corner. Isn't that cute? All right, so let me just flip with you again then, I guess. I don't know why she's like, okay, well, I guess you flip with me again, so that's good. What else we got here? Affection. Confess attraction. Just a normal day for Bitey. I'm so tense right now. What's happening? Oh, Mason's calling me. What's up, Mason? No. Oh, yeah, just got a little fault there. That's good. How are these guys doing? Are we friends with these bunnies yet? Girl needs higher standards. I'm kind of thinking like Mashu might have to do science baby situation. I don't think anyone should be wanting to hook up with this guy. You know what I mean? But we will need some kind of baby to continue this thing. It's Saturday at 6 o'clock. I have not got word from the other place. Yeah. Bitey for Mayhem. Yeah. We do need to have some kind of baby at some point, you know? But we got time for this. I found a carrot. That's cool. Yeah. He is a bit dirty, isn't he? Mashu on Love Island. We are not having an alien baby. Oh my gosh. All these cow plant horns. Wait, who are you? All right, let's meet you. All these nice people coming over. Invite them over. Does she want to? Well, that's what. Yeah, I think we should have a baby with a tenant, right? But I gotta get rid of the old lady here, and I gotta get rid of them so I can move more people in. More people that we can then, like, you know, get to know. Yeah, she's come over. She seems nice. She's not a tenant, but she's over, so that's cool. Have him a. Him having a trash fairy baby would be kind of awesome. Whoa, look at that. She's amazing looking. You know I'm right here. Jeez. Gosh, he's a jerk. He's just an awful person. She has red hair. The next generation is red. So that is a good point. All right, you know what? We're gonna make friends. We're gonna make friends first. Let's gossip. Pry for secrets.
Oh, blush.
Okay, she didn't like that. Though that was probably a bad thing to do anyway. This is gossip. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why would you do that? Bastion, what the heck is wrong with you? I'm trying to make friends. Is it the horn? Look, I have two of these dang horns. Get rid of them. Or is it fight day today? When does it show the holidays? I'm stuck behind this event.
Squarble Tarbahay
Mr. Rack.
Orbitalk.
Oh, Avine.
That's not.
Science babies are our future. I mean, she hates me now. Well, I'm leaving. Nice knowing you. Whoa, sorry. What's the next gen? I don't know. We're ways away from that one. Even more now, I think. Anyway, check the naps. No, because she hates me. If it was a nap, she wouldn't hate me. He just decided to just like be like a jerk. You know what I mean? Keep diving for deals. Put the horns back in the trash. I think if they're on the floor, they're fine. Right? Can I do something funny with these horns? Can I put the horn on this guy here? You like that one? Isn't that fun? Yeah. It's a gnome with a red banana stuck into its head. Is what it is. Beautiful. Okay, how we doing? I'm a little hungry. Let's go back to eat. There's another horn in my inventory? Where are these horns coming from? Oh my gosh, you're right. All right, look, give this one to her. I feel bad about the whole, like, the fight that we got into. Oops. Go here, go here, go here. Give gift. A friendly gift. There we go. Here we go. Yeah, I hope this makes you feel better. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. What is this? You gotta love that. Yeah, you gotta love that horn. She did not like that. Okay, we got gets good luck now. I have a carrot. Let me eat the carrot. And I got. I'll throw this away. It's a unicorn horn. Oh yeah. Right, we're dirty. We're still. Let's keep diving for deals. It is Saturday night. I don't think these people are getting evicted. I don't know what's going on there. She's got to go. We found another rabbit's foot though, so that's good. We're getting a lot of those. Another seat. Okay. But burnt one. Okay. Let's just go to sleep. It's getting very dark here. So sleep on the floor. Our natural living skill is going to be so high. No, it's so good. That's just a little bug. That's just a cash bug, you know? The blueprints. Oh, remember that game? It was a cool game. Shelly, thank you so much for that. How you doing today? Natural living level 6. There we go. And it's winter now. All right, let me use the bathroom. Oh, wait. We got bees. 1 second. I'm doing good. Whoopsie. Let me empty that out as well. Just so that way Bitey can use the bathroom. I'll put the garbage on the floor, but I won't, get the garbage out of there so Bitey can use the bathroom. There we are. Perfect. Okay. Now, what kind of food did I get? I got another mushroom. Should I eat that? Sure. It's bee o'clock. Usually it's spider o'clock. Okay. Well, let me check my rentals here. What's going on? Apparently, Tillman is still there, and remaining days 2. It was 1 before. Maybe I have to wait. I don't know what that's going. Let me try this again. Do I gotta go over there and like ask her to leave? Let me go over there. Let me give it a save. There's nothing wrong with this pack. It works fine. Just the evict on the lease, the bottom left. I'm doing that though. Click it. Mashu is sure he would like to follow through with this eviction. The household will be removed out of the rental unit immediately. Yes. Hello? 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 Yeah, maybe I gotta be in their house. Let's try this. We're learning here. We're learning. Tina, come with me. We're learning. It's a learning process. Manually move them out using managed worlds. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, just kind of whip them out that way. Evict them. Let's see if this works. Will we get paid for that though? Should we just assume we're never gonna get paid by the tenants? You know, you gotta laugh. You know, you gotta have a good chuckle. Hello, she's not even home. Oh, she's over here. Okay, okay. Well, let me see about. See what I can do here. Rental. Okay, hang on. Justify evict. Let's see if I can do it this way. Hello? Hello? She keeps avoiding me. Oh no, she's right there. Okay, okay. Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh. We just walked on water. My gosh. She's looking at my little statue. She's like, what in the heck is going on here? You know, like that? Pretty cool, right?
Ensenoi, Mipim. Ensenoi. No.
What have I done? I don't want to leave. This place is perfect for a vampire. Nope. You're out of here. Okay. Evict household. Yes. Okay. Did that work? He seems upset, I guess. Seems mad. She seems. So, oh, eviction in progress. Okay, it's happening. It's happening. All right, Mashu has been fined in accordance to the Water Convention Action Plan. Too much water was... What are you talking about too much water? Is it because of the pool? You don't need to clean that. It's really not important. You don't... You can leave the trash on the floor. It's fine. And honestly, it's not a big deal. Oh, God. What are you doing? Are you doing push-ups there? No, kiss that mold. Kiss that mold. Kiss that mold. He won't slip. He won't slip. Mashi was so gross. You should probably leave now, right? I'll leave after my shows. Oh, okay. She loves that show. Fair enough. Do I have to do something in this time period, or I'm just waiting? Let me see here. I think we're just kind of waiting, right? Oh, she's upset. I think for a vampire, this is actually a pretty sweet place to live because you know you're kind of hiding out. You don't really need that much. The rental unit is now vacated, and you will be returned back to your home lot. All right. We had to go there. We have to go there. Physically, emotionally, we cannot just slip a thing under the door. We have to go there and do them. So now, yes, yellow is now empty, which is super. So let's go ahead and do a few like dumpster dives here. We have a lot more furniture. See, right now, yellow is a it was a 2-star place. So I'm thinking if I get a few more furniture in there, we bring it up to a 3-star. That's really, I'm closer now to getting a 3-star than I am on pink, obviously, because pink is got nothing in it. So I might as well put all my attention on yellow. Say hi to your kitty. Okay, hang on. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. I told him to like and subscribe to me on TikTok, but the cat version of him. Cat talk. Yeah. I lost 126 simoleons on. We lost money on yellow? No, we made money, right? I got $1,000. Surely. We got a nice shower. Oh, we did. All right. This is working out for us. That felt passive aggressive towards the cat. Well, the cat's been bugging me to play cat Yakuza this whole time, and this is like, you know. Oh, we got $1,000 from grinding furniture. Oh, okay. Cat Yakuza though does sound like a good game. Oh my god, what is this? That's a nice little dress that we got there. All right, $6. Keep going. All right, I'm getting hungry though, so let me get some food out of there. Oh, it's empty. Okay, right, let's see what we got. Oh, a nice picture as well. All right, so let's give a cheeky save. And then, oh, that was a TV pic. That was a TV one. Wow. Okay. So we're going to make this place look very nice. Very, very nice. So we're going to go in here. Right, okay, so the couch is out and the chair is out, but we have a nice shower. That'll look great in the pink one because it's, you know, it's a pink shower, but what are you going to do? We could put this out here as like a little porch decoration. There isn't really room for any kind of bathroom in these terrible houses. I'm sure they won't mind. What if you entered through the bathroom? You know, you entered through the bathroom. Or should I put the bathroom on this end? Like I move that wall up, and then the last room is the bathroom. It's not really a lot of room anyway, even with that. Okay, we'll just have to go with this. I mean, no one said it's gonna be a great place to live. But that's a nice cabinet we got here. And of course, this big screen. That's a TV, right? Is that a TV? What does it say? It is, yes. See, that is a nice TV. Great kids. What do you think? Appreciate that raid, though. How you doing today? Look at that TV. You like him? Let's put the other TV back then. And we'll put this painting in here. And I will put this stool somewhere. Right here. Oh, this as well. Right. This place is getting very nice. A lot of nice, nice things. You can watch TV while in the shower. See? Isn't that nice? You love that TV. It's one of your favorites? Yeah. So this place is looking pretty nice. And to think we got all this out of the garbage can. How lucky are we right now? I could take out that sink, and I could put this sink in. They still have 2 sinks. Which some might say is ridiculous. Wait, hang on. Put this one back. Do these ones match better? They do kind of, don't they? Yeah. Okay. Just a little. Well, one's the bathroom sink and one's the kitchen sink. There's just no separation between bathroom and sink. Bathroom and kitchen. Also, there's nothing in here that would give you the impression that we had a kitchen. What if I put like this back here, put that away, bring this out, put that underneath here. You know? 2 sinks are better than 1 sink. That's true. All right, so yeah. I haven't got any cabinets yet. Bottom cabinets. We definitely not got any kind of cooking things, but I think as far as like upgrades go, this is definitely an upgrade from what we had before. I'm thinking I put this in here as well. Oops. Can't move the dirt. You know what I mean? Move that over there. Move the dirt bag. So it looks good. Move this right here. Yeah. I think that looks pretty good. The counter. We haven't got any counters. Silly girl. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Should I change the color of these? Hey, yeah, I'm going to change the color. Wait, should I change the color or leave it mismatched? We just go with whatever we pulled out of the dumpster. Whatever it is, we pull it out and, put it in. So that pink sink would look better in the pink units. But right now, I'm only decorating this one. So we can always move it later if we want to. All right. So yeah, we're gonna use this. That is a yellow cabinet. Okay, you know what? Keep that in here. We want it to feel like we got all this stuff out of the dumpster. I don't want you to think ever that this stuff was not pulled out of a dumpster. I'm gonna put the other sink in here too. I'm doing that to hopefully up the value. Okay. 2 sinks, a big screen TV, a nice shower, and some decorative objects. Honestly, I'm thinking it's gotta be at least 3 stars, right? Let's fill the vacancy. Let's see, it's still saying 2 stars. What can I do to bring it up to the next level? What can I do here? Let's see who we can get in. A teen and their dog, 2 elders, and a young adult. The young adult pays us the most. A toilet. Repair the shower. Oh, is it broken? Okay, I'll go over there then. Remove the mold. Oh, okay. Let's get this young adult in. Okay. Right. How are we doing? Yeah, that teen's still looking for a place to live. Right, let's save it and go visit him. Ewok, thank you so much for that. The 42 months, appreciate that. And we'll go over there. We'll meet this young adult. And yeah, fix that sink up, remove the mold, get it ready for them. We will get stars over time if we can keep it nice. A young adult paying more. Yeah. Poor millennials. Alrighty, let's get on inside. Is anyone in there? Right, knock on door. Oh, like everything is broken. Oh yeah, everything is just a mess. Okay, clean up the mold. I won't clean up the garbage, but I will clean up the mold. Yeah, upgrade things too. That's a good idea. Oh, is it? Oh, well, I was gonna. Oh, it was them then. I'm like, wait, you're living here? Oh, we got bugs. Is that in here? Is that this apartment? Oh no, Pink has bugs. Alright, fix that thing. You kidding me right now? You can't get to him? You kidding me? What do you mean you can't get to it? What are you talking about? It's right there. Oh my gosh. And I can't get into I cannot go to edit. So this is gonna be a little tricky here. 1 second. We're just gonna do this. Okay. No panic. I'm a professional. We're gonna take this thing here and we're gonna move this over. Maybe it might be the door that's in the way. It's a problem. And why they can't fix him. So we're just gonna do a little switcheroo here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, that's annoying. I know why it's doing that, and that makes it very irritating. I don't know why that's a default option for toolmod, but it is. Oh, hello. Where'd it go? Did they want that? Did they want that? Mm-hmm. No one panic. No one panic. Yeah. Oh gosh. It wants to go towards your mouse, and that's fine. Okay, there we go. Right, repair that now. It's a little sunken, but that's okay. It's in the sky now. I don't know where it's gone. I did my 0.1. Whatever. We can fix it now. It didn't go. I don't know where it went. What are these people here for? Can I repair this? Oh, did I hit? I went scale? Oh, I went scale? Oh, yeah. You're right. I did do scale. Elevate. Here we go. Okay. Elevate that one again. 0.2. Okay, there we go. And then this one here. Elevate that one by 0.3 maybe. Nope. Maybe just go by 1. No, that's too much, isn't it? Elevate negative 0.5. Perfect. This one here. Elevate that one 0.5. And that will be just fine. Obviously, it's not fine, but we're going to say it's fine. Okay, is that working? Let's get this one working too. Oops. Oh, you haven't finished fixing that one. Well, are you the, oh, wait, hang on. Oh, yeah, you're the person. Welcome to your new home. Don't worry, I'm going to get it all fixed up for you. Elevate this one by 0.5. And now lower it by 0.2 or something. Okay, that seems like it's better now. Okay, repair that as well. Repair all the stuff. Welcome to the rest of your life. Ooh, jeez. Leave the TV alone. No, yeah, leave the TV alone. Yeah, leave the TV alone. I think you should go for it. Leave the TV alone. Leave that alone. It'd be a shocking ending if we fix that TV again. When we get someone out here, hire a person. Bitey, what are you doing? Bitey, no! Bitey, stop! It's kind of funny though. It's kind of cute, isn't it? It's kind of cute. Bitey is helping. Your name is Bitey, not Scratchy. Okay. Oh yeah, the rating is going up. See, there's a little. I think there's a little arrow there. Is it none? I don't know. Get that fixed up here. Ah, yeah. Let that guy fix. Oh, he did it already. I need my handy skill up anyway. Okay, everything is good now. No mold. Let's get into it. And everything looks good in here. So this should be a pretty good apartment. Let me save this. He needs a trash can so he... Oh, yeah. Well, I don't really clean up, do I? And we cannot edit this apartment anymore. That's why I have to use tool mod to move stuff around. Once we got a tenant in, we are locked in. What are you doing? Cleaning? What are you doing? Okay. $113 to fix that TV. Whoa! Okay. Come on in. Maybe you give me 3 stars. Oh, wait. Why is it going down? Is it the trash? Take the rubbish to the dumpster. Oh, yeah. I think we can rummage through it. Okay. If it'll give me a better star rating, then I will do this. Oh, boy. Yeah, clean that up. All right. And then this one... Sorry, Bitey's going through this one right now. Okay, the stars are going up now, yeah. Bitey, could you stop eating the trash? I can throw it away. Can you craft furniture? I think that eventually we will do that. How much is the fabrication machine? Is it good? All right. I think that's pretty good. The guy's got a pretty sweet place here. So... The guy's living the dream in here. And there's still mold. Is there? Where? I don't see no mold. We're good. Okay, 1,800. Okay. 700 more. Okay, we got this. He hates the furniture. This place looks like all this furniture came out of the garbage can. Hey, the fact that you have furniture. The fact that you have furniture is pretty amazing. All right. If you look at Pink, they got nothing. They got nothing over there. We got 3 stars. Yeah, let's go. All right. See, you work hard and stuff happens. You work hard and randomly stuff happens. Now that bug situation, is that still ongoing or is that is that still ongoing or do we need to go visit that? Let me save this. Visit Pink and see what we can do. I think yellow for now, I'm gonna say is good enough. We need to get green going here. Let's visit. Bring Bridie along. He's that my little helper. You know? Oh, I need to do the inspection things, right? Handle an emergency event. Perform an inspection. Passes on event. Oh, wait. Yeah, you're right. I do need to do that. I guess technically I can do that right now because we're still here. Let's see. Yeah, do the inspection right now. I'm in the big one, mighty. Do this 3 times, I think. We should be okay. Right. On the sinks. Yep. The sinks in the shower. That wasn't done. I can do the shower. It's fine. All right, that's good. Yes, no, yes. Look how professional we look. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Do you make emergencies? I think the bug thing is an emergency. So we have to professionally dirty. I mean, it's not a very nice place to live, but also, like, what do you expect? Look at this lot. You know? We need to add an electric box and a water heater. Okay. Okay, that is good. Okay. So that is all set. What are you doing? Okay. All right, get out of there now. I'm gonna... Okay, nothing is to be... Oh. Okay. Well, we did not get to the bug situation in time, so now the rating in Pink went down, but it's already a 1 star, so, you know, it's already pretty low. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is full up. Let's go. Let's get to diving here. How's my luck? It is very good. I'm a little hungry, so let me get some food out of here as well. In fact, let's start with that. Oh, meals is what I want. I might be doing ingredients the entire time. Hey, happy birthday to you. Do you turn on emergency in the settings? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Did I? Is that a thing? Let's have a look. Settings? Is that a thing? Game pag. Here's the problem. I have buggy game turned on. Silly me. Yeah, it's on. Silly me. I have game bugs turned on. Oh, gosh darn it. What am I doing? Here's the problem. Someone set this game to evil.
He's so endak.
All right, I got myself a nice little snack here. Eat that. I guess we should probably plant some potatoes, and then that could be my food from here on out. Get a grill, only eat baked potatoes, right? Okay. Oh, yeah, we got a tomato. That's a bit of a foreshadowing, is it not? Yeah, it's So easy to miss that sittings, isn't it? How's our Stink Mashu doing? Ah, he's doing great. We got a 3-star. We have a 3-star rental unit. We have a 3-star rental unit. This guy is loving this place. I don't even know how you make it any better. I mean, obviously you gotta get a 5-star at some point, but like how? I don't know. Hey, thank you, Friendly Fire, with the 8 months. Appreciate that. Potatoes are from South Africa, South America. Nice. All right, we got a table. We got some upgrade parts, more grindy things. Okay. And how am I feeling? I guess I'm okay. My funds are a little low, but if I bike over here, that'll be good. Bargain. Yeah, is it corn from America as well? Okay, just the bike over here shot my fun up all the way. Biking is so OP. Oh, they look full. What the heck? I'm still hungry. That one plan did not fill me up. All right, eat the tomato. Anything else to eat? Can I eat these dyes? Oh, no. In you go. Go to sleep. The bills are due $1,000. Why am I paying the old landlord? That's the funniest thing. That's the funniest thing. Hey, Chris, thank you so much for that. I hope you had a great day. All right, back you go. Keep going. More dies. I love Eco Lifestyle. Eco Lifestyle is just a great pack. Another cabinet. Another cabinet. Rent to own till 5. Mash is looking very happy. Yeah, we are happy. We need another. Wait, what was the Bing Bong? What's going on Bing Bong there? Oh, you just saw Bing Bong pass by him. Bong Bong. Bong Bong. You can never have enough cabinets. What we need is another bed. So we're just looking for a bed right now. Yeah, it is. It is. Bong Bong. We keep getting fined. I die for deals, die for deals, die for deals. Come on, let's get something good. Give me a bed. All these dies. Oh, $6. Let's go. I gotta pay the bills, and then we gotta make another $1,000. Hey, thank you. You have to bed now. Yeah, good night. Yeah, good. Big money, big money, big money. And we love a Bing Bong in The Sims. We're gonna get a Bing Bong because we get imaginary friends now, right? That's basically Bing Bong. Okay, we're gonna go back home, back to our house, and then I'm gonna grind up all that junk. Yeah, the wife's not feeling too well today. Okay, let's go back home. Go home. Bring Bitey. You just notice all those graveyards. Unfortunately, those are only dogs. Those are just dog graveyards. So, oh God, it's a long story. I hate that. Yeah. It's not my fault though. It's not my fault. We had a vampire that lived here. Okay. Oh, he needs a bathroom. Okay, let's do that. Go use the bathroom. I wonder how I'm doing. How am I doing with the whole like challenge right now? Am I doing good or bad? Right, recycle. Sadly, this like all this good stuff we get, it's all just burnt. I mean, people were saying I should get the vacuum. Well, you know, maybe I will. Maybe I'll cave and get it. Get that vacuum at some point. Getting 3-star is great, yeah. That's a lot of money. So that's actually pretty good. Let's pay the bills and get those bills paid. Hooray! All right, we got like another $100. We can get the fabricator. Can I sell anything else? Should I sell some other stuff? We'll go back here. Daffodils, daffodils, daffodils. You could sell the burnt furniture and then just rebuy the exact same ones. I could do that, yeah. Just rebuy them. Grinding them up does get us the money. Yeah, we need a meal, don't we? Okay, sleep then. Hang on. I'm looking for your support. You're looking for my support? I'll be happy to help you. I'm with you. I'm with you. How are we doing over there? Can I evict them yet? Oh no, that apartment went down to 2 stars. What the heck? Why? Maintenance satisfactory. Environment lacking. Amenities basic. Size small. Whatever. What are you talking about? He woke up. That is the best place you're ever gonna get. And how about these people? Amenities are basic. They have nothing. Maintenance poor. I would argue the maintenance of their place is top notch. Nothing is broken. Nothing is broken in their house. They don't have anything to break. But that would mean the maintenance is very high. It's perfect in there. Oh my gosh. Yellow. Yeah, no worries. Could you lower the rent a little bit? Maybe attach the high price for like a free 3K or maybe specific requirements like handiness to level 5 or something. Wait, what do you mean? A 5-star rental as far as I can see? Yeah, it is, yeah. Nothing is broken, therefore everything in there is broken. There's nothing in there to break. Oops. I keep saying go for ingredients when what he should be doing is going for a meal. Yeah, eat that. I mean, eat that. One unit has no rules. The other has every rule. I'm trying to get them out of here, Brad. I'm trying to kick him out. Oh, $73 is good. If we get the fabricator, then maybe I can make all new furniture for them. I can buy stuff if I want to, but I just don't want to. I think it's funnier this way. You know? Wait, what the heck? What? Why is he like that? What happened? What? What is it? Uh-oh. Tenant rule violation? What? What is happening? Pink is violating the no trash overload rule. The neighbors won't be surprised if the whole building gets pests. Post fine removing using the mailbox. Ah ha ha! We got him now! We got him now! How do I do this? What do I do now? Post fine for breaking the rules for Yes, the Baileys. Give him, yeah, $600 fine. This is perfect. What? There's a notification about this? Mashu just ate a shocked candy. Mashu not only sounds like a squeaky toy, but can also perform Bring the Lightning on the terrain when outside. Oh. Because of the shocked candy we just ate. Well, we gotta do this. First, let me get that money. We'll just get like a little picture of us, like, you know. Wait, now the series has become unhinged? You can't shock the neighbors. Ooh, jeez. That was loud. Sadly, you can't shock the neighbors. He's the avatar now. Yeah. You can only shock the ground, and sadly. Success! Aha! We got him. We made a bunch of money off that. Let's go see the fireworks show. I'm sorry, butler. The sad thing about this generation is that we can't have a butler. We're breaking the tradition, the family tradition. That is so cool. I love that. My gosh. Yeah, we got our own fireworks show. Whoa. Well, I mean, because like, why would he hire a butler? You know? Why would we do that? Have babies with the butler. Oh, now hang on a second. To take care of the kids. Didn't Eggplant have this at some point? Did Eggplant have the power of lightning at some point? I'm pretty sure I took a picture just like this before, but he was an Eggplant. He did, yeah. I think that's when I first discovered it. Because I didn't know that was a thing. Oh, so good. Yeah. All right, we've had enough fun with this. Alright. Eggy was struck by lightning. Yeah, he was. Alright, can I evict them? Unjust evict them. Oh, maybe if I didn't post a fine, I could have justly evicted them? Okay. Yeah, I won't do any more of that. I'm sorry. We had a bit of fun though, didn't we? You can't shoot any people. Sadly. All right, we got money. So that's what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, and I'll flatten this down a bit. We're gonna buy the fabricator. Okay, so our dreams of fabrication are about to come true. Right, that is one of the things we gotta do for this challenge is fabricate. Yeah, we're just talking about that. Like, he's kind of a dirty guy, so I don't think he would get. I don't think he would get a butler. Yeah, maybe he would. I don't know. All right, what we got here? Let's see. Fabricator, where are you? Over here. Over here. It's right here. Too bad it doesn't come in junkie mode, right? Is there a junkier one? I guess, I mean, which one looks like green, maybe? I don't know. Put it inside. Why? Because your face gonna break? Should I put it right here then? I guess we're not really using the space anyway. Oh, it will break. Okay. Fair enough. I was thinking about getting one of these solar panels as well, maybe. To save on water bills. Maybe one of these right here. Might be pretty nice as well. Just put that right there. Okay. Just so that we could save on some water at least. Feed Bitey, you got it. You got it. Because you asked nicely. Okay. Okay, so now, should we fabricate? What should we fabricate? Well, what we can fabricate right now is end table, bookshelf, a light. Well, it would be good to get an end table. I don't have any yellow dye. Well, okay, let's just get a... There's no... I don't have any green dye. Oh, there's dye and I don't have a yellow dye? Okay. Okay, a black one. Saffron with 102 months. My goodness. Only another 102 months, Saffron, and you get yourself a free sub sandwich. Yeah. So you're almost there. Halfway there now.
Huh? Whoa!
Butler in a raccoon costume would be amazing. Oh, jeez. Okay. Fabricating. I remember this from the Rosa series. It fails out a lot. The Burger Boys raccoon was iconic. It was. I'm still waiting for the first one. You get the first half now and the second half then, okay? Okay, did I get it? I'm assuming. Let's have a look. Yes, we did. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is we're going to go here. We're going to fabricate and we're going to get a light. Okay. And then we can put the light on top of the side table. Pretty smart, eh? Eagle with the 34 months. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. That would be a good idea. What are you doing? Take a shower? What the heck? No. Oh boy, hang on. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. I should probably fix this too because we don't want the mold to show up. Yeah. Water makes mold show up. Scrub them spalls. Are we okay though? Let's see. I think we're okay. I think we caught it in time. Not yet. I'm still working on that one. Well, he needed to scrub the spores off. Once you get spores, it's just gonna get worse and worse, and then your sim passes. So, I've never befriended a bunny before. How do I do this? So I will use a shower to get rid of the spores. Let me get back in my outfit. Yeah, it's only for the talk where he might use it just naturally. I will try to stop him if I see him. Alright, let's see here. Alright, happiness level very low. Why, bunnies? Why? But I love you. Ask the bunny to search for valuables. Let's try that. We don't want... Yeah, we don't want a moldy potato. Exactly. Just gotta keep feeding him. Have a little farm. Let me ask you as well. I think they're probably saying no. They're feeling cranky right now. So cute. Okay. I don't know how often you can feed them. Oh, no. Again. Yeah, here we go. Okay. I guess that wasn't too long. And then you. Very low, very low. I'm feeding you, buddies. I'm feeding you. Can we name them? No, because if I name them and then they accidentally disappear, then you're gonna be upset. And I don't want you to fall in love with those bunnies. Oh, speaking of, I do have an emote I can show you. Completely forgot about that. Voice made an emote for me last night. I'll show you that in a second. Can we name one Bun Bun? Okay, fine. This was named Bun Bun. Bun Bun. Hey, thanks for the 30 months. All right, and your name is Little Gluon. Fix me, Little Gluon. Yeah. And your name is James Dust Erna. Turner. Yeah, see, it's a pun. I love Bun Bun. Hey, what are you doing? Open up. Okay. Those are good. You're living here. It's back to the 3 stars. So this is bouncing between 3 and 2. These people have still never left. It does say 1 day remaining though. So maybe we're getting close. I'm just going to go visit them. These people have just been here forever. Visit unit. Cheeky save real fast. James Duster. Little Dusty. Pirate Yaku's Dust. All right, go there. It says 1 day left. Maybe we can get rid of him. New emote. Yes, maybe. Let's see. Fix me, Little Dusty. Shall I pretend to clean? Well, I just go to sleep here. Just sleep. Just sleep on the floor. I don't know. Go back in that. Where you going? Go back in the apartment and sleep on the floor. We're gonna get rid of them. Oh, knock on the doors. Why I can't get in. I'm just gonna like lay out there in their house until the time runs out. I don't know. We'll work on that later. Soon they'll be gone, and then we'll get some new tenants. I get this place fixed up. It's gonna be great. But I think we're gonna leave it here, folks, on this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Until next time, bye bye.